Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to build this really nice warehouse. It has a pretty neat back to it with orange. So I'll take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, so I've got all the pieces taken apart, so I'm going to show you all the pieces you will need. You'll need 6 of these 2x2 slopes, 4 of these 1x2 slopes, 3 of these 2x2 white tiles, a bunch of these 1x4 black tiles, a couple of windows, which are the medieval castle kind, with this kind of hole. So let's just put that back. A bunch of orange pieces, because we'll need that for the perimeter. A bunch of gray pieces, because we'll need those too. A green 2x8 flat piece, and a 4x8 base plate with 3 gray tiles on it, and the rest are just nut holes. So now let's get to building. So first we need to get our starting plate. Let's push all of this away. First we get our starting plate. Place a couple of windows on it. Like this. And then place 2 windows along the side, like this. Now flip it to the back and place 2 rows of snot holes. So let's attach them here. And also, just to let you guys know, the rewards for the 50 subscriber and the 100 subscriber is 2 giveaway bags. So make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to go get those 2 goodie bags. There's also a video on it, so go check that one out. So once you've placed these snot holes, you place 2 of these 1x4 black flat pieces, and we'll do this for the next layer as well. So we just place all of these pieces. Like that. And then place the next row. So now it should look like this. Now get this green flat piece. You don't have to use green. I just said green because I'm using green. You can, it's best to use orange, but I'm using green. So I'm gonna plop it here as a separator layer. And we're gonna put some flat pieces into here. Actually, first, let's remove this green piece so that we can get all our pieces in. This will take a little bit of time. And place this here. This can go here. That goes there. And these two go here. And actually, this is, I've mistaken myself. This actually goes on the roof, which we'll do later. So now we do the exact same thing that we've done over here, which is just placing windows. Like that, which is about half of the structure. And we'll place 2 more layers of these snot holes, which should hopefully do it for the snot hole population living in this pile, which means we can just finish this up and we can get onto the roof. So that goes there. These go over here. This goes here. And everything else will go onto here. And all the snot holes are pretty much gone. So now we can just stick the rest of these onto the back. And instead of my last 1x4, because I ran out, I'm going to use these, which is a 1x3 and a 1x1. Alright, so now you need to place these darker pieces like this, and these lighter pieces back here, plus this 1x2 that goes here. And then we put our 2x8 green piece right in the middle. So now we have that filled in. So now we can place all of these slopes that we haven't put in yet. I'm going to do a bit of a design with this roof. And we've got everything fit in. So now all we need to place is the tiles. And we are done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.